Hello, welcome to the Old Phone channel. For some users, Siri doesn't work for unknown reasons. Whether or not you get hit with the issue seems a bit random. While there's no guaranteed fix yet, here are a few things you can try. Now, follow me to check the first one. Way 1. Restart Hey Siri on iPhone. Go to Settings. Tap Siri and search. Toggle off the listen for Hey Siri. Switch and wait for about 15 seconds. Then, turn it on again and check if Hey Siri is working properly. Way 2. Force restart iPhone. We take iPhone 12 for example. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then volume down, then press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the side button. Then you can try to use Siri on your iPhone. Hey Siri. Look, get worse. If it's still not worse, you can use the next way. Way 3. Use Old Phone iOS System Repair. Old Phone iOS System Repair is a professional iOS system repair tool. It could fix more than 150 iOS system issues and update your iPhone to the latest version without data loss. So let's give it a try. Download and launch Old Phone iOS System Repair on your computer. Then connect your iPhone. Now go back to Old Phone iOS System Repair. Click the Start option. Then select the Standard Repair option to proceed. Click the Download option to download the latest iOS firmware. Here you go. Click the Start Standard Repair and wait for it to update your iPhone. Well done. Let's have a try. Hey Siri, just like this, everything go back to normal. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.